Come test drive the 2019 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.